everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. I do. And if you're here to see what I have to share, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, I do share luxury unboxings. Lately I have put a pause on my luxury handbag shop. I do buy SLGs every so often, and I do buy like other brands of handbags, but I did put a pause on Louis Vuitton handbags. I had brands, well, what are they called, replica, knockoffs, or whatever you want to call it. I call them replica because that's the new word they use instead of the other word they use. I don't even know, but they're replica bags. Brands have reached out to me. So this particular bag that I'm sharing is a replica. It's from the same company that sent me the bum bag, you all. And let me just tell you, I am in love with that bum bag. I did see it on the pre-love market, you all, and it's up to $5,000. And I am not paying $5,000 for a bag that was under $2,000. I love that bum bag a lot, but not worth that much, because $5,000, your girl can get a tummy tuck. I can get a brand new car. Like, I am not going to pay $5,000 for that. With that being said, the replica has been doing me just fine. I enjoyed that replica so much, they reached out to me again and was like, hey, can we send you another bag? Pick a bag, and I did pick Louis Vuitton. I kind of know more about Louis Vuitton versus like Chanel and all those other brands, because they do have Chanel brands, but I don't really know Chanel like that. So the brand reached out to me, I probably will venture out to something else. Now, if you're not into replica bags, go ahead and click out, because I don't want nobody leaving comments down below talking about this, that, and that. I do not title my bags replica because I don't want YouTube to, you know, mess with my videos, because like I said, I'm a small YouTuber, and for some reason they pick with small YouTubers. So I do not title my videos replica. I will let you know in the video and in the description box that it is a replica bag. If someone wants to know why I do not title them replica bags, but yeah, I'm not here to deceive anyone or anything like that. I just started doing replica bags because, like I said, I ended up liking the bum bag a lot, and I was like, I will never share anything that's not Miss Tamika approved. Bum bag was Miss Tamika approved, and this time I did try and reach out and let them know, could they send me a discount code. So fingers crossed they will, so I can, you know, leave it down below for you all, because a lot of y'all was like emailing me on Instagram, and I was, you know, sharing a link. I thought I put the link in the description box, but if I didn't, I apologize. But again, make sure you pull down that description box, because everything regarding the bag, the link and everything will be down below. They always come in nice packaging. Now, the first bag did come with like the box, the bag, and I'm okay with not having that, because again, it's not the real thing, so I don't care to keep that replica box or bag in my collection. But I will keep it in this dust bag. I do have the Louis Vuitton dust bag that it comes with. I grabbed this one because I remember looking at this bag, because I had to go online to see if it was still available. So I did pick this particular bag to share. And let me just tell you all, this replica bag is a really nice replica bag. Like, I didn't want my channel to be just luxury, but for some reason it seemed like that's the only thing that works for my channel. So I don't even know how to switch that, because I do share like Coach bags, what is the other one, Marc Jacobs. Like, I don't share all luxury like Louis Vuitton and Gucci and all that. So I do share other bags, and I do have a few other unboxings to share with you all. As you can see, it's stuffed with paper, and it's a lot of paper. I'm gonna try and put everything in here so my room don't be a mess afterwards. I wanted something a little bigger, because you know, with the fall months coming, you know, of course I want to carry something more than like a crossbody bag. Oh gosh, when I tell you they stuffed this bag with tissue. Oh, I was wondering where everything was at. Okay. because I was like, oh, it's missing like the little tag. Well, it's not. Everything is here in the bag. See what I'm saying? Like this replica brand, I really like this here particular brand. It's called UU Bags, I think. Everything extra is right here. Because I was like, where's that little Louis Vuitton tag? Like, oh my gosh, y'all are something else. Like, show you. So it came with this. Attach everything so y'all can see how it looks. I see why a lot of people buy replicas, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I really see why people buy replicas. Again, I have nothing against replica bags, but I just understand now why people buy replica bags. Because when you out and about, you're not going to really be able to tell. Because I even noticed working at my store, even the older women, I noticed a lot of their bags are fake. But I'm like, you know, who gonna check them? Crossbody strap. And like I said, when I take, look at this hardware on this bag, you all. Like, do you see that hardware? It's silver and it has the LV. Why Louis Vuitton keep going up in prices? Because of these replica bags. Who knows? But damn. Dead on. I cannot believe it. Like, damn. See, replicas wasn't like this back in the day. Like, I'm telling you, they were not like this. They look like replica bags. And the inside is very light. It's like a tannish color. I'm not really worried about the inside of this bag because, like I said, I'm not babying this bag or anything like that. I have 4 feet. I probably will wear this to work if I could fit it inside of my locker. I do bring a bag to work and a lunch bag because I do pack a lunch. And mention you do have 2 patch pockets here on this side, and you also have a patch pocket. Well, you also have a zipper pocket. And you have Louis Vuitton, Paris made in France. Say you do have the feet. They do have stickers on the feet, so I will peel that off. Is that? You know what? They even got Louis Vuitton on the little feet. This is what I'm saying. Like, they really took their time with this here bag. Also have this here too. Now I don't know where this go. I would have to probably go online to see how you do this or how the little hang tags go. In the video, I'm gonna just put them on just so you can see like all the accessories that go along with the bag. You do have Louis Vuitton here on the side. The original one has that too. So yeah, this bag is beautiful. I don't know the retail price on this here bag, but I know it was like 4,000 or 5,000, I think. But this here is all leather, so of course that's why it's that much. Price increase is probably a lot more. You do get a Louis Vuitton booklet. Like, I really think it's cute because I was buying replicas. They didn't look like this. I'm just saying they didn't. They used to be like in a trash bag, and you used to look through it and grab what you want and pay for it. And I don't know if that's why I was always turned off of replica bags, but yeah. I had to go plug in my lights because the battery died. So accessories, you get this here LV, and then you also get this here luggage tag, and you also get your strap. If I didn't mention here on the buckle, it do say Louis Vuitton. Only thing I will say on my belt bag, because I'm gonna be completely honest, one of these here little tabs did come off. I have been wearing mine like crazy, but the good thing is it do have 2, so that did come off because I guess the way it was I guess the way the threading was, it wasn't strong enough. I don't know. It come off, so I just removed it and threw it away. Strap on the bag to have it hang. Here the strap is a little tight and it's braided. If you can see, I can see this loosening up. You do have Louis Vuitton here on this silver part. Tear plastic off right now because it'll just take up too much time. So when I do my unboxings, I like to throw a few things in the bag just so you can see really quick how it looks on my body. Get a video. Let's just say today is a vlogging day. Carry this particular bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera, and this here is the Sony ZV-E10. This here is my newest purchase, which is the new leather card holder. I think that's what this is called. I have my AirPods, and let's see what else. Keys. Particular bag, I have room to put my keys in. products. I have something from Maybelline, something from Too Faced. My Too Faced friend gave me this because I was sending her a lot of clients. Bath and Body Lotion. Love Me mirror I got from one of my wig purchases. And then I have my newest Gucci lip. This is what's in my bag. Keep in mind, this is not what I would really carry, but for the sake of the video, I'm just throwing some stuff in here. The inside of the bag with my stuff inside. Of course, you know Louis Vuitton zippers are a lot smoother than this. With a replica, it's not going to be 100%. I'm just saying. So it fits under my arm, but I will say it do need to loosen up a little. Reminds me of the Artsy, if you have an Artsy. So this is how I would carry the bag. Like I said, I will not carry this bag crossbody. Show you how it looks on me. So yeah, this is way too big for a crossbody for me. Taller than this may work, but like I said, for me, it's a no. This bag holds a lot more, but this is all I was able to grab at the moment. The bag. It do need to be broken in because like I said, the straps are a little tight. So here is my newest addition to the family. Check out some bags on this particular site. Again, I will leave everything down below for you all. Handbags, YSL, they sell a lot of other things. They also sell shoes. So just browse through their website and check them out. This particular bag, they actually sent a tracking number. It did come through UPS, and it came really fast. I think it took less than a week on where you from. So I can't say, it may take less than a week for me. It may take a little longer. Like I said, it depends on where you're from. It is coming from, I think, like China or Hong Kong or something like that. Her bag, this one I probably most likely would give to my mom because like I said, this is her thing. I was really big on that bum bag. This one I just got because I wanted to see another bag. I'll gift this to my mom because she would be really happy because like I said, this is her thing, honey. When I tell you she loves a good replica bag. So yeah, I probably would gift this to my mom. I wanted to share because it is Miss Tamika approved. Like I said, if you into the whole replica thing, I do highly recommend this hair brand. And if other brands reach out to me, again, if I like it and it's Miss Tamika approved, I will share with you all. After doing that video, I found out that a lot of y'all love replica bags as well. With that being said, if you enjoyed this particular unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.